for this project, you'll need a washcloth, 2 rubber bands or hair ties are fine, some black cloth. This is felt, but you could use an old black t-shirt or even black construction paper, and some ribbon if you'd like to tie a bow around your dog. The first step is to roll the washcloth on both ends. So roll this end to the middle and then roll the other end to the middle. When you get both sides rolled to the middle, then you're going to fold the washcloth. You're going to fold it like this. Secure with a hair tie or a rubber band in the middle. The next step is to make the face. So you're just going to pinch the front part like this and secure with a rubber band. Finally, you can take the ears that you cut out, and there's a hole right here where you folded the washcloth, and poke the ears right into that hole. And then if you want to, you can add a little black nose. You can give him some eyes too if you'd like, but I think he's really cute like this. It makes him look like a fluffy dog. And sometimes with fluffy dogs, it's hard to see their eyes. Finally, if you'd like to add a bow, you can just tie a fun ribbon around his neck. And there you have it, a little washcloth dog.